Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Cone's RV Thrills. Today, we're taking a look at this super cool 2027 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 373MBRL. This is a brand new floor plan, never before seen. This is pretty cool. We're going to be taking a look at this one. Also, they got some new updates, so look at this new front. This is super cool. They also did it on the travel trailers. Go check out that video too. But after this one, of course. But we also have some cool things, just normal, regular things to look at today. So we're going to take a look at that. We're going to start off here at the front with all your good stuff like your battery box, spare tire, and 50 amp cord. Let's see what else we got here. We have this little work light for at night if you want to do some outdoor stuff. We've got a pet tether right there. Also right here, we're going to have this massive pass-through storage area. All of these Heritage Glens are going to have steel frames so they don't rot like a wood frame would. Not pun intended. Also, we have a bottle opener, a battery disconnect, and switch for the lights on the front here. Looks like they made those white now instead of orange like they used to. That's pretty cool. Let's see, what else do we have? We have solar controller and bottle opener, if I didn't say that earlier. Let's see, we have JBL speakers standard on the outside of this. We've also got cable, GFI, and a spray port. Pretty cool. Also, right here, we're going to have a outdoor kitchen. So your propane hose is going to be right there, and propane quick connect is going to be, it said it was down here. Where are you? I can't find it. Oh, there it is. It's right underneath the stove. I should have looked there first. But yeah, propane quick connect is going to be right there. And also, they're now using these little Furrion mini fridges. These are pretty cool. I like them. So yeah, pretty neat. You've also got your capital griddle right there. Pretty cool. Let's see, what else do we have here on the outside? Let me lock this up real fast. There we go. We have the latch extend on this door already on there. So this is going to help extend the door handle down. So if you're getting the steps out and you're all the way down here, you don't have to reach all the way up there. You can just reach right here, which is head height for me. Let's see, what else do we have? I gotta go through all this. Hope I don't get a cobweb there. Okay. Right here is going to be where your sewer hose goes. And you've also got your hitch right there. And backup camera mount is going to be right there if you can see it through the trees. Yeah, sorry, this is on our spare lot. You're going to have to come see it over here, but probably don't walk back there. You've got storage right there. And we can close that. You've also got your 50 amp plug right there. Tankless hot water heater, also on-demand hot water heater. Pretty cool. In here, you're going to have your electronic automatic leveler, outdoor shower, winterized valve, cable, black tank, one, and water fill, fresh tank and city water. It's also going to be the antifreeze inlet right there. So yeah, that's all the water stuff. And your propane tanks are going to be inside that little compartment right there. Now, I will meet you inside and we can take a look at this thing in there. Welcome to the inside. So in here, in the other trailer that we looked at, in the travel trailer back there, it did not have the gold trim like this one does. So this one is going to have the gold trim. I think they're growing away from it, at least in that trailer, because there's no gold trim in there. But this fifth wheel does. So this is a pretty cool style. They've had it for a long time. I love it. It's pretty cool. It's kind of like Heritage Glen's thing. I like it. But you've got solid surface countertops, the multi-function sink. Look at all that stuff. From the cup bidet to the waterfall feature, removable faucet head and all that good stuff down there. Also a soap dispenser. That's pretty cool. Also got storage down here and plumbing access to all your sink stuff. You've also got storage in here. Pretty neat. You've got storage up here. Look at all that. You've also got some storage over here too that continues on with that. It just goes into the abyss. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's all that storage. We have the pantry over here. Look at that. That's pretty big. We've also got more storage right here. Like you didn't have enough. Oh, would you look at that? There's a trash can in there. Also, you have a hanger bar for coats. So this is a pretty cool, like, I guess, closet space, if you want to call it that. Over here we have this 4-burner residential oven and residential microwave up here. Pretty cool. You've got storage in there, storage in here, solid surface countertops yet again, storage in there with the cutting board that goes with the sink, and more drawers with all your fun stuff in there. And you got more storage over here on the side. Pretty cute. Also, you have this massive residential fridge with a wine rack up top. Right here, you're going to have your TV cabinet. Will this open? Yep, it will. It's just a very strong magnet. Also, that's on a hydraulic, so it will stay out and it won't swing shut on you if you're on an incline, which you probably shouldn't be, but if you are, it won't swing shut on you. Or else it'll just swing open. I don't know. Either way, you've got JBL speakers, and, well, that's a controller for it, at least. We saw those outside. They also have them inside, right up here. And there. Also, you're going to have your 36-inch fireplace right there. This big couch in the back that converts to a bed. Tables on either side with USB and GFI plugs for all your phones and stuff. Laptops, too. You've got storage up there. I can't reach it because I'm short. And this couch looks a little bit interesting, because we all know what these are. We've got not one, but 2 of them. So this is literal 3-person theater seats, which is pretty neat. So everybody can get a cup holder, everybody can charge their stuff. That's pretty neat. Now let's go in here and take a look at this. So right away, I can see something different right here with this bunk. If this still lifts up like normal, let me see if I can set this down because it's a little bit heavy for one hand. Okay, so I can tell that this lifts up, and then I think it has a magnet or something. I think. See, I think you have to push the mattress up first. Oh, yeah. Okay, so mattress goes up first, and it has to get clipped on behind the little magnet, and you just pop it in here, like so. I'm not very good at this. So you do that, and then I believe you just fold this up. Should just, well, it's a little cramped. I think you might have to take the mattress off, but then again, don't take advice from me. But I do know for a fact that this whole headboard, if you do take the mattress off, you can lift it up, and it will have little magnets to just stick right there. Pretty cool. And you've also got this hook or little latch right here for extra safety. Pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna put this back down real fast. Also, the couch oh boy. Oh, there we go. Just had to pull. All right, so the couch below me, by the way, this will fold out into a full-size queen bed because there's a seam right here, and you can grab a handle back in there that will just fold the entire thing out. And it does take up a lot of the floor space, but it's a massive bed. So yeah, that's the whole bed scheme in this room. Let's see, what else do we have? We have this right here, big old dresser. Pretty cool. And we have this Sansui TV right there. This is a 50-inch, pretty cool. Now, oh, it's getting hot. I have to go back in a minute. We have this bunk up here with a cool ladder that folds back into the wall. Bathroom with a porcelain toilet. Storage. And hooks up there. Also, this big old shower with a one-piece fiberglass mold. And a skylight. You've got a backlit mirror. Stainless steel sink. Solid surface countertops. Weave basket storage bins. Storage plumbing access down there. Now, let's finish it off in the bedroom. Wow, look at this. You've got this massive bedroom in here with this bed that lifts up. And it's also on hydraulics, so it gives you more storage space, which has the extra chair in there. That's huge. Just don't fold it up when somebody's on the bed. Because number one, probably be pretty hard, and number two, they'd probably get trapped. Also, we have an area for a washer and dryer back in here, and storage back in there. Also, a hanger bar that spans the whole width of the closet. Pretty cool. You've also got a bench right there, and storage in there. And also this lifts up to give you secret storage. So yeah, that's the RV. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm getting hot. I have to go back in. But if you want to get this RV for the best price in America, please visit thrillsrv.com. Hope you guys had a great day. I will catch you in the next video. Peace!